Okay, here we go. The third video of Angry Birds.
Yeah.
As you can see, we have all the pencil toppers here right now. Not that we're going to be using. I put those on the armrest of the chair. So, as you can see, this card shows the birds you use and the setup. And see here, it shows that these. So, yes, we will be using these pieces here. One has the star. One has this pig here.
Wait, hold on. Do you think you could say hi to Grandma on the video? Where's the camera? Grandma's on the phone. Say hi.
Hello, Grandma.
Hi, how are you?
What's wrong with
Good.
you, Grandma?
And you know you're going to be on a video on YouTube right now.
Really? Oh my goodness, I didn't know that. Am I going to become famous?
I don't know.
You're gonna be the phone grandma. That's your character's name is the phone grandma. Okay.
Well, what's your character?
Well, I'm just presenting everything.
Well,
See
you need to come over to the house and look upstairs.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
yeah.
go in my room and go into and look on the wall.
Yeah, what do I need to look at?
The Angry Birds? Oh, right. They have a craft wall. They've been making all kinds of crafts and putting things all over the wall.
Okay. Never mind that. So we take a long piece of wood and another piece put on top. See, this is not one of those careful times. Well, it is. So, as you see, I am going to take two of these, put them on at the same time so it does not fall. Oh, and there's also the first one we did. My little brother thought it was going to be difficult.